is extend your arm out just like this. And now what I am gonna have you kind of slouch down a little. And then one thing to note, in fact, you should be up here, probably, is what I do, and what most techs will do is look at the elbow and look at the wrist and arrange this underneath. Do we want to make our patient lean forward or back? No, just leave this arm just like this. Arrange the cassette underneath and bring her down so that we're getting both joints pretty much equal distance, and you just eyeball it. So she's on there. She's on there where we want her. So let's bring this over. Open up. Now we're going to collimate down a little bit. In fact, let's turn our light down just slightly. Okay, that's good. All right, so the thickest part of our anatomy is here. So that's what we want to be in the middle of, not this. The thickest part of the anatomy. Now the other thing is we're going to have you extend your fingers, and I am going to have you lean back just a little bit. Get your into a better, actually come back up. I'm looking at the elbow as well as the wrist. All right, well, you are going to tell me that epicondyles are parallel to the image receptor. Whether you will feel the medial one, but it's almost near impossible to feel the lateral one. But you will tell me. And then we're just going to make, well, that's just too much of a, that's not enough of a difference. But if our patient comes out like this, they can do that. That'll work. Just make sure everything is, aligned as it should. I'm just going to put you back there. I mean, because she doesn't have to come straight out. Do you know what I mean? It's however she's comfortable. All right, at this point, start collimating in and look at your joints. Look at the light. Okay, it's not in the mid shaft. I can tell that. It's closer to the elbow, but just look at your light beyond both joints. As long as it is equal beyond both joints. Just getting you back in the middle. Then we're good. Then we're mid shaft. And this looks good. We're equal beyond both joints. It's just an eyeball. You just make sure you have your light beyond both joints equally, and we're good to go. You are mid shaft then. Just a quick look at the both joints will tell you you're pretty much mid shaft. All right, and then this is hung fingers up, so the marker goes this way. And then this is the lateral side. You're following those old school marker rules, and collimation will be to here. And what does Merrill says? 1 inch on each side. So I mean that's it. This is where you collimate to. All right, AP done.